Yeah, good morning, everyone. This is Yashchand Rakesh Roshan here. I work as assistant professor at RGKT IIIT Basar. Welcome you all to this session on Certify'em. So basically, our aim is to generate automatic certificates. Let us say you make a quiz, and then candidates will take the quiz online, and you put some limit, let us say 50% or something. If they answer 50% correctly, you want them to get a certificate automatically. You don't want to do anything. Or the another case could be like you take a session, it could be a webinar or it could be FDP or whatever. You want to see whether they have learned something from it. You put a test based on what you have discussed in the session, and then once again you can put some limit, for the test, for the Google form test that you have created. So if they get more than whatever percent that you have put in, so they can get a certificate automatically instantaneously to their email. Okay, so we'll see how this could be done. And here we use what is called as a Certify'em. It's a add-on for Google Forms. So prior knowledge of Google Forms is required to understand this. So we can create automatic certificate, number one. Number two, we can also make it customized. I'll discuss both the cases in today's session. So let's get into this. So to start with, let's now go to, let us say I have a Google form here. You can see, something I've created ICT tools in education. The only thing that we need to do is here first you should collect the email addresses, and then in the quizzes part you make this a quiz. Okay, so these two things we have to do. And then full name. So next to email address, whatever you have, it should be a full name. I'll tell you the reason why. So and then college or university, or you can also write designation. You can put that. And here is the quiz. I just put two questions, so that it becomes easier. So this is my Google form. I have not yet applied Certify'em to this. So how do I do it? So go to this. On the right side, you have these three dots. Click on that, and you can see add-ons here. Click on the add-ons, and then it will show you all possible add-ons. So here, let me click Certify'em. You can see here it comes up, it pops up, Certify'em. You choose this, click on this, and then you install this add-on for your Google Forms. So yeah, you just install it. Yes, no problem, no issues. So once it is installed, great. So it's installed. I don't require this. Now go to this, the first one. You can see all the add-ons that you have for your Google Forms, and click on the Certify'em. So when you click on the Certify'em, all these things would come up, and here you click on show Certify'em controls, because I need to I need to have some controls there. I need to put in some parameters. So let me click on that. The moment you click on that, you can see on the right side corner a tab coming up. So now, okay, I just confirm this, and then it will show me all the parameters. So first thing is certification is off. So now let me click it on. So turn on. So whenever the candidates take this test and they get some percentage, the certificate will be delivered to them. We'll see how that could be done. So first step is, first certification is on. So yes, link to exam, turn off. So now it's there. Now next is passing. So you can put anything 0 to 100%. Let me put 50%, just like that. And the next one, so it will save the changes, all the changes that you do. It will just take 2-3 seconds. And look at the templates here. There are a lot of them. These are standard templates or inbuilt templates, black frame, brown frame, golden, blah, blah, blah. There's so many of them. You can choose any random template, or as I said, you can customize your own template. First, let me show you a random template. So anything. So let us say golden. Preview all. Now you can, if you want to see what all templates are there, just click on this. It will show you black frame, brown frame, whatever we have seen there, golden, horizontal lines, purple banner. So all of these are inbuilt templates. Okay. So you can, so what I'll do is right now, I don't want all of this. I'll just go back to my form, and then I want to check, how does it look like? So I'll just say email me sample. I've selected already golden, the inbuilt template, and I want them to email me the sample, so that I just want to cross check if how does that look like. So this should be done. So you can see a sample certificate has been emailed to you. I'll just go back to my mail. Yeah, your sample certificate. You can see here. Congrats, Lisa Simpson. That's an inbuilt one. Don't worry, we'll change it. Your certificate is attached. Certificate ID is given. And you can see the PDF of the certificate. So you can see this certificate declares that. So this is a standard template. So if you see here, the name ICT Tools in Education has come. This is because that is the name of our Google form. You can see here. Okay. So if you want to use this standard template, you can use it. There is no issue. But what I want to do is I want to customize my own template. And please remember, you can see here next one is quota 99 emails remaining. So basically in 24 hours, you can generate only 100 certificates. Okay, this is very important. So all those who take the test and then get, for example, in our case, it is 50%. We have put it as 50%. They cleared the test, online test with greater than 50%, greater than or equal to 50%. They are eligible for the certificate. And 100 such certificates can be delivered in 24 hours. If it exceeds 100, automatically it would get postponed to the next day. It won't allow, it won't take any more responses till the next day. So next day, once again, you have to on the certification here. Now what I'll do is this is how you can get a certificate. This is as per the inbuilt templates. Now I want to make my own template. So what I'll do, I'll just come to the last, use a custom template. So now, so he's asking me set up your own certificates. So now what I'll do is I have not set it up. So what I'll do is first I'll set up my own certificate. So how do you do it? So let us see how do I do it. So now for that I'll go to the Google Slides. And then so this is, you can just click Google Slides. It will take you to your home page. So I'll click on the blank. I'll try to show you from the scratch so that it becomes easier. Now you can choose the themes. Right side, you have so many themes. You can choose any of these. Maybe let us say anything you can choose. Let me say I choose this theme. And then so this is my theme. This is how I want my certificate to look like. And then now I have to add maybe pictures to it, matter to it, and all of that. Let me quickly do it. So let me put some logos. Okay. And maybe let me add some text. You know, some department is putting this test. So let me put so let me just say, okay, so these are all simple stuff. So let me say, so department of whatever, your college or your university, you know, whichever is organizing this. So you can put that. Right side also you can put a logo. Maybe I'll replicate this so that it becomes easier for us to understand. So I'll just copy this. You can just copy paste it and then put it onto the right side. Alignment is taken care of. You can see it, both are centered with respect to one another. So this, the font and all you can change. So all this is pretty straightforward. So I'll just I'll concentrate on the certificate part of it. So you can design as in however you want it. So you want to put some matter there, right? So let me insert some text. So insert, yeah, you can see here, insert text box. Let me put. Now this is to certify that now you don't know who is going to pass the test. So here what we have to put is, so you just go to Google and then Certify'em. Let me show you. So you just say Certify'em custom tags. You just put custom tags. It will first click on that. Now you can see here there are something called as merge tag description. Now we'll just concentrate on three things. Now you can see here full name of the exam taker from the first question in exam following email connection. I'll just go back to this. So this is the email. The next is full name. So whatever is next to the email address, it will consider it as full name. And in your certificate, I'll just close this. So in your certificate, that name should be put it in flower brackets as full name. So I'll just go back to this double flower bracket, full name, double flower bracket of, let me just increase this. And let me also maybe Let me also maybe increase the size. Yeah. Of next organization. We said we also wanted to include organization, right? So let me put the third one here, other identifier, the first optional other identifier which follows the full name. So what follows the full name here? The college / university. So I'll say of, so of double brackets, close end of double brackets, other identifier. So next is has successfully, something you can write the matter, successfully taken the test. Successfully taken the test. Now you want to put the test name. So I've showed you, for example, in this case, ICT tools for education, right? So once again, title. So in flower brackets, you should put title to get that. So test, flower brackets, TITLE. Now don't change these. These are standard. Now whatever is being shown here, double flower brackets full name, double flower brackets title, double flower brackets other space identifier. These are standard. Do not modify these. Just put them as it is. So this is to certify that full name of other identifier has successfully taken the test. If you want to put, you can put the date also. So now once again, how do you incorporate the date? Just put date like this. You can put the percentage, you can put the passing percent, you can put the certificate ID also in the certificate if you wish. All these you can explore, but basic thing that I am looking at right now is has taken the test and completed whatever and completed. Anything can put, yeah, same. So maybe, yeah, you can change matter as how do you want it to look like. The next thing is maybe you want to put the the signatures there. So once again, so now insert text box. So whoever has put the program, so let us say convener ICT FDP something, and you can also you also want to put insert one more text box maybe on this side, whatever. I mean whoever is the head of the institute, vice chancellor or anything. I mean it depends on which test you are conducting and how it is being conducted. So yeah, so that's it. Now I want to put this signatures, right? So I'll just insert image. So you have a soft copy of their signatures, let us say. So they're all random ones, okay? They're not standard ones. I'm just showing you how to do it. So yeah, this is how its signatures would come. And next I want the other signature also. So maybe, yeah, once again insert, I'll put the other signature also, so that, so maybe this is the second person signature which you want to put, and you can just put it here. So you can just move it. So you can see a red line here which is showing that it is symmetrical. So this is fine. And we want to bold this, yeah, you can do that. You want to bold this, you can do that. Okay. And sizes and all you can change. So this is, it's up to you. I mean, something like this. Okay. Yeah. So all these changes you can do. Yeah. You can put the colors also. I mean, you can change the background. So all this is basically, feasible here. Maybe I'll just show you one background and that's it. So background, you want to change the color of the background. Maybe you want to look at this, or you want to make it look like this, or anything of your choice. You want to, yeah, maybe I think this looks fine for me. Okay. Yeah, this is how you can make. Highlight this. Right. So you can customize your certificate. So I think I'll stop here. So let me name this. So test underscore ICT. It will automatically save in my drive, as you can see. So now let me go back to my form, and then here, let me come back to this template and then use a custom template. So now let me select a new file. It will go to my Google Slides, and then you can see here it has popped up, the one that we made just now, right? So let me just click that, and then let me say select. So save changes. So now here you can see it has changed. Now you want to check it once again. So email me sample. So now it's preparing a sample certificate. So now I'll show you, I'll go back to the mail and then see if the sample is what I was looking at. So I'll just go back. So yeah, sample certificate has come. Now you can see whatever we have made, the template that you have made, customized template. So now this is to certify that Lisa Simpson of Springfield Elementary. So those are the standard ones that are there, and completed the same. That's fine. So let me just leave some space here. Yeah, automatically gets saved. I'll come back to that. So that's it. Now anyone who takes this test, so maybe let me take the test also so that it's complete. So okay, copy. And then yeah, maybe I'll sign out. Okay, maybe yeah. So what I'll do is right now I'll just sign out from this, and now I'll take the test as a student or as a participant. So now, yeah, let me just enter something. I'm a test taker now. Okay, full name, whatever. Enter your details. So these would be reflected. College. So RGUKTB something. So these are the questions. Zoom is an example of video conferencing. Edmodo is an example of LMS, and then I say submit. So you can see, and then I'll submit this. So you can give the score if you wish. So I've got complete thing. That's okay. That's not what I'm looking at. So now I'll go back to my mail. I should be getting a certificate, right? So let me see if I get certificate or not. So yes, beautiful. Can you see that? Now you click on that. Congrats, Rakesh Roshan, your name basically. Okay, you passed. Your certificate is attached and certificate ID, and you can see the certificate. Yes, you can see. This is to certify that Rakesh Roshan of RGKTB. So the first, the name is here. RGKTB. That's the second other identifier. That's the college. I successfully taken the test name. Title. ICT tools in education. Complete the same. So this is how you can take. You can get customized certificates. You can either use customized certificates, or you can use the standard templates that are available. We have seen all the available templates here, and you can use either these, or you can use a custom templates. And once again, the important thing is these identifiers are important. You can also put the date, you can also put the percentage that you get, you can also put the certificate ID in your certificate itself. Whatever I have got, I was not interested in certificate ID, so I just left it like this. You can also incorporate all of that. So these tags are very important. You cannot play around with these tags. These are standard tags. So you have done a FDP, you give the test to it, like Google form test, and then depending on they have understood or not, and they pass, you can put the pass limit 0 to 100%, and then you apply the Certify'em, and then give them the test link, let them write the exam. They will get an instant certificate into directly to their email box. So only little disadvantage is, you can see there are 98 emails remaining. So which means, as I said, daily quota of certificate generation is 100, capped at 100. You cannot get more than that. But I think at our level that should be good enough for us. And this is how you can make use of Google Forms and Certify'em add-on for Google Forms to get instantaneous certificates. So I hope this is useful to all of you. So thank you for your time, and take care. Stay safe. Have a good teaching learning. Take care. Bye.